Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Titan headlights. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Make sure your Nissan Titan is parked on a level surface with the engine off. It's always a good idea to consult your owner's manual for any specific instructions or bulb types for your particular model. Next, open the hood of your Nissan Titan. You'll need to locate the back of the headlight assembly from within the engine bay. There might be some plastic covers or clips that need to be removed to gain clear access. Once you have access, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing down on its release tab and pulling it straight off. Now it's time to replace the bulb. Gently twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing, then pull it straight out. When handling the new bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing and twist it clockwise until it feels firmly seated. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Reinstall any plastic covers or clips that you removed earlier to complete the assembly. Before closing the hood, turn on your Nissan Titan's headlights to confirm that the new bulb is functioning properly. This easy method will have you back on the road safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.